Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Let's make some healthy recipe today. This is bitter gourd, so we are making stuffed bitter gourd. Let's get started. If you like such recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. For peeled or stuffed bitter gourd, we need bitter gourd, of course, and I have just de-seeded them and cut it in half. I have some stuffing ingredients: roasted peanut powder, salt, turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala powder, jaggery or sugar, some freshly grated coconut and onion. Mix this well and stuff it in the karela pieces. Okay. So this is how it looks. Stuff the masala in the half of the bitter gourd piece and then press it gently the other top. Okay, and this is how it looks, just like this. Now let's get to the stove top. Okay, so roll this 2 portions of bitter gourd in and some thread, because we don't want the stuffing to get out while we fry that. So this is how I did it. Just roll the thread on it, and we have some stuffing left, so we will use it in the pan now. Alright, so I'm heating my skillet here. We are going to add our masala into the hot oil. I have about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Just add our onion mixture here and then saute it well until it turns nicely brown. Okay, cook this onion mixture nicely, and at this point you will add some more red chili powder, garam masala and pinch of turmeric. Turmeric is optional, you don't have to. Mix this well and then we will layer our bitter gourds to cook. Let's do that. Just keep it flat. Like so. Sprinkle some water so that the base masala doesn't burn. And now keep it covered for 10 to 15 minutes until it cooks. Okay, in about 10 minutes you will see that the bitter gourd is changing color and it started cooking. So I'm going to turn it other way, all of them, and you see this color, beautiful, nice, flavorful color. So I'm going to do that for all, and then we will cook it on the other side for another 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes on the other side, here's how it looks. Beautiful, nice and crispy. So turn the heat on medium flame now, and make this layer more brown so that it's easier to eat and nicely cooked. Alright, our super tasty karela stuff is ready. Enjoy this with nice dal rice or simply with hot roti. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.